Good morning guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be painting some parts on the Jeep with some good old fashioned spray paint. Alright, just before we get started, I'd like to mention that we will be doing a 200 subscriber giveaway. I know this isn't really a big number, but I like to do small giveaways at every major point that I get to. So 200 is the first stepping stone, and I'd just like to thank everybody that's been involved or is getting involved and following along with the journey. It's not a massive prize. It will be a King's Action Sports camera. Now they're not very expensive, they're not like a GoPro or anything like that, but it's something that you guys could have and take on an adventure with you. And I'd love to see the footage if you end up winning this. It's only valued at $34, but just something to say thank you for following along with my journey and helping me out and supporting it as I go along. Alright, let's get on with today's video. So there's a few finger marks and orange peel on this, so today we're going to take the time, we're going to properly sand it back, we're going to do a base coat with primer, do a few coats of the gloss black, then we're also going to do a clear coat on top. Hopefully they should come up a lot better than what this is. Okay, so step one is going to be sanding them down, getting ready for primer. Okay, so I've just finished sanding down the headlights through and cleaned down. It's time to add the primer. Now you just want to do small coats at a time, really thin coats, to give it a nice layer. Let's get started. Okay, now that we've got the primer drying, it's time to shake up our can of top coat. Now you just want to shake it up enough that little dimples start appearing on the bottom. Really simple, let's get to it. Alright, so that's pretty much done now. You can see, well, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's small indents on the bottom of the can there. So you know it's nice and shaken up. So the headlights surrounds are over there drying, they're pretty much done. Now it's time to do a couple of light coats of gloss black on top. Alright, so I've just finished the last top coat now. All I've been doing is very light coats to get a nice even finish. It's actually come up really well, definitely a lot better than the first time I've tried it. Still a little bit of orange peel in there, we could possibly sand that out and do another coat. But I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out, so now I'm just going to do 2 layers of clear, just to protect it and give it a nice shine. Alright, so I've just finished the last coat of clear now and everything is looking good. Really happy with the way it's turned out. Definitely a lot better than it did last time. So when you're painting something, just make sure that your preparation is good, you've sanded everything down, it's nice and smooth, there's no greasy finger marks or anything on it like that. I know it's just a small part, so it's not a big deal, but definitely something you guys can do at home yourselves, which is a great thing. I just didn't like the chrome, so I just wanted to paint them black. But if you've got the other faded parts on your Jeep or four-wheel drive, it'd be a great thing to do just to make them look a little bit better. That's pretty much it for today. Once again, thanks guys for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button and like button. I'll see you next time. Thanks.